Hi Year 6, hope you're all doing okay, hope you're working hard and keeping those great math skills going. In your home learning this week, from Wednesday to Friday, you're going to be focusing on percentages. So in this video, we're going to recap how we use efficient methods to find percentages of numbers. And remember, we use our building blocks, which I've got here on the board, to find the best way. So let's start with this question, 46% of 220. There are different ways of getting there. What we're going to start with is 10%. And remember, to find 10% of a number, we're going to divide that number by 10. So we have 220 divided by 10. We do it mentally using our place value. That gives us 22. But we want 40%. So we are going to need to multiply our 10% by 4. So we have 4 times 22, which gives us 88. So we've got our 40%. To find our 6%, we're going to use 5% and 1%. Now to find our 5%, we can use our 10% and divide it by 2. So 22 divided by 2 gives us 11. And then finally, to find that 1%, we're going to divide our original number by 100. Again, using place value, moving our digits 2 places to the right gives us 2.2. So now, to get our 46%, we need to add together our 40%, our 5% and our 1%. So we have 88 plus 11 plus 2.2, and that gives us a total of 101.2. Now there are always different ways to use our building blocks to find the answer, but some are more efficient than others. So I want you to have a look at this one. Maybe pause the video and have a think about how you would work this out. Now we could use our building blocks to work up to 89% of 460. But in this case, that wouldn't be the most efficient way. We know that 100% represents the whole. So the best way to work this one out would be to find the missing 11% and subtract it from the total, because it's far easier to find 11% than 89%. So let's have a go. To find 10%, remember we divide by 10. So we're going to do 460 divided by 10, which gives 46. We then need to find 1%. To find 1%, we're going to divide it by 100, move it 2 places to the right. That gives us 4.6. So to find our 11%, we need to add those two together. 46, add 4.6, which gives us 50.6. But remember, that's not our final answer. To find our final answer, we need to subtract the 11% from the original number. So we would do 460, subtract 50.6, and that would give us our final answer of 409.4. And at this point, we would check that that's a reasonable answer. 89% of 460, 409.4 is reasonable. So remember the 3 key things to do. Choose an efficient method, use the building blocks, and show every stage of your working. Good luck.